Julie, thanks so much. We'll take it from here and take you through this beautiful home on Evening Canyon in Corona del Mar in the community of Shorecliffs. This home was developed by Eamon Wardy Jr. and the inspiration for this home was for him to craft an Eastern Seaboard styled home with a very clean and modern palette for anybody to take advantage and craft the interior the way they'd like. One of the hallmarks of this community in beach living is indoor-outdoor space. As you walk in through the entry gates, you have this beautiful courtyard up front that can be used for dining, living, or any level of entertainment that you'd like. So parking's always a premium in Corona del Mar. This house was beautifully designed with a 2-car garage. There's 2-car parking in the driveway. In addition, you have a transition space here to your carriage house, which is another garage space, or in this instance being used as a gym with additional parking outside of that. As you step in through the home through this Dutch door, you enter a 2-story entryway with beautiful millwork and wrought iron railings for the stairs, plenty of natural light through the courtyard, and you step into this beautiful kitchen, combination of granite, marble countertops, floor to ceiling cabinetry, and of course, professional grade appliances. So in addition to your beautiful kitchen is the remainder of the great room. This gorgeous dining space, along with a generous living room, fireplace, all adjacent to a beautiful outdoor space. Pocket doors open up, revealing your central courtyard, plenty of room for entertaining with lush vegetation surrounding you. Another feature of the home is an elevator, which we'll take a look at upstairs. You have a beautiful powder room here just outside of your downstairs office with another door out to your outdoor space in the front. So just around the corner from your office is your first of 4 bedrooms on the main level. This has plenty of room for a king-size bed. In addition, it's en suite with its own bath. So every house needs a getaway. This second floor bonus room that has these beautiful French doors opening up to the front of the home provides that perfect retreat for any member of the family. We mentioned the elevator before, providing easy access to the second floor. Upstairs, this is your first of 3 bedrooms. Again, king-size bed along with its own bathroom. Your second of 3 bedrooms upstairs, again, generous in size with 2 twin beds, once again with its own bathroom here en suite. Now we'd like to show you the master suite. At entry is your beverage station, and as you walk into the master bedroom, fireplace, vaulted ceilings, Juliet balcony framed with natural light, and a beautiful master bath, which includes dual vanities, dual water closets, large soaking tub, along with a shower framed by Italian glass mosaic backsplash. And then one of the best closets you'll see, all built out for any owner's needs. So last but not least is your rooftop deck. Plenty of room for soaking in the sun or enjoying an ocean view. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful home in Shorecliffs, and we certainly hope you enjoy the next one.